to put a search bar in Wix. So in order to put a search bar on your Wix, you need to head over right here into your Wix editor. Now into this part, you can click onto this plus icon that you can see on your left sidebar. Now in the menu, you can click onto this menu and search. And for this case, you can see horizontal menu. We have in here the search option, and just head over and click onto this site search. You can see in here the site search. Make sure to click onto this plus icon in order to add this to your site. And once you have done that, this will actually add this particular application to your site. So just wait for this to actually load altogether. So as you can see, the site search has now been added, and we have in here our search bar. We also can see in here the products and the likes for this part as well. And you can see it under the page of search result right there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.